Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And today I just thought I'd bring you this new sort of technique. A friend tagged me in a post showing this, and it wasn't using Stampin' Up products. I thought I would show you how I've done it today. I really quite like the effect that it's got, and you get two card fronts out of one technique, so that's always got to be good. And I'll make these into cards and share them on my blog. Anyway, we'll get started, and my card today is watercolour paper, and it measures 9 by 13.4 centimetres. I'll put the imperial measurements on my blog. So, and you just need a little bit of snail and a book. Just a bit of snail on each adjoining page. And what I do is I put my card, first bit of card down, I put the other bit of card on top, and then I close the book, give it a rub, and they should be right. Okay, so next we need some Brusho colour crystals. So these are them, and on these ones I used brilliant red, moss green and yellow. So I thought I might try maybe some blue, brilliant blue this time in it, and go with the red again. So I'm just bringing in a paint palette. I haven't tried it with a large acrylic block, but I'm thinking you could maybe do that. So I just pop a generous amount of Brusho crystals in one of the little trays. So about that much. And look, you're never going to run out of this Brusho colour crystals, and you can buy these through my online store. And we'll try some Prussian blue, and same again, and then maybe the green again. We'll see how that goes, the mossy green. It's not quite as vibrant as the other two colours, so I'm just going to put a little bit more in terms of crystals in that palette, and then seal my Brusho colour crystals up again so none of the powder escapes. Alright, now in with my aqua painter, which is not too wet, but I'll start with the blue, and I'm just going to squeeze a few drops down into the brush and then swirl it round. You want it a little bit liquid. Alright, and that might do us for that one. Clean your brush off. Alright, and then with the red, again some more drops. Alright, I'm trying to pick up all that colour in there. Add some more and swirl it around, make a little pool. It's a very little pool. Okay, add a few more drops. Alright, that should be enough for what we want. And in with the moss green. This should be an interesting colour combination. Alright, and try and get all those colour crystals dissolved in the water. And as I said, I'm using watercolour paper. And then I just need a piece of linen thread. So I'm just going to cut off. And you need a little bit of a tail, so that's about 40 centimetres or so. We'll cut off 40 centimetres, and that gives us enough for a tail to pull out. Then you just need two, and you can see I've got colour crystals all over me. You just need to dab in with your fingers. And I try and go up the linen thread as best I can so that it's all got some colour on it. Clean my finger off on my Stampin' Scrub and hope I get it clean. Then in with the red. The red's the one that does the damage to your skin, I think. Makes it all colourful. Alright, and then into the blue. And make sure you do leave a length, because you're going to put this on the one side of the watercolour paper, and not having fun unless you get messy, are you? So, and then we take it out of the colour crystals, And I like to try and have it sort of fairly straight, so I let it unravel. Move my palette out of the way. Alright, then I come in and I make S's. Oops. Alright, so I make an S all the way down. Don't know what this one will turn out like, so I dropped it. Alright, just wind it down like that till you've got all the colour on your watercolour paper, and leave the lengths for to pull out of the book, because you need to actually messing ink everywhere. You need to actually be able to put some weight on it and then pull this thread out. So then we're going to close our book up, and I'll move it over here so you can see what I'm doing. And then I grab the thread here and put some weight on the book and pull fairly quickly. Sorry about the noise. Then you open up your book to see what you have. So, isn't that wonderful? These are my mistakes. Remember, I dropped it before, but this is looking good. Just beautiful. Really quick and easy technique. You could use a brush or another tool to push the linen thread into the colours, but quick and easy. Add a sentiment and a couple of mats to it, and you've got a card. Alright, so I'll put the cards on my blog. Don't forget, you can buy all these products in my online store. Go to libbystamps.com, click on the shop button, and you'll be able to purchase these products. We use Brusho colour crystals today, and watercolour paper, and an aqua painter. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.
Try to draw outside the